Hi guys, Mike Volkin here with Freelancer Masterclass, and I'm going to quickly show you the benefits of being a student at Freelancer Masterclass. You can learn in a few weeks what it took me and other top freelancers years to master. This masterclass will fast track your results to a better career and life. This could be a life-changing video for you, so stick with me for just a few minutes. Let's get to the presentation. So the first thing I would like you to do is think about how much better your life would be getting the income you deserve and working the hours you want. I'm telling you from experience, there is nothing more satisfying than living life on your own terms, being your own boss, working your own hours, working whenever and wherever you want. And as long as you have a goal that aligns with what freelancing can provide, then Freelancer Masterclass can show you how to reach it. And I spent years wasting tons of money and time before I got on the right track. I've been on the homepage of Upwork, which is the largest freelancing platform in the world. They've even put me on billboards, and I've appeared on over 80 media outlets, including Good Morning America, ABC News, The Today Show, Lifehacker, Entrepreneur on Fire, so much more. But I'm not special. I'm not any more special than you. I just know what works. And for the first time, I and other top freelancers have assembled a step-by-step success platform for freelancers with Freelancer Masterclass. You get over 14 hours of step-by-step video content, and it's not just for beginners. Even experienced full-time freelancers rave about this masterclass. You also get world-class support and coaching. We're with you every step of the way. You'll get access to spreadsheets and documents that will save you an incredible amount of time and money and help you along the way to your journey of being a highly paid freelancer. We will personally review your work. You'll get an individually numbered badge for your website, LinkedIn, and other social profiles to display that you're a Freelancer Masterclass graduate, which looks great to clients and prospects. You'll also get an individually numbered certificate to hang on your wall. All students get access to our bi-weekly group sessions where we discuss hot topics, have guests, and do Ask Me Anything style questions and answers. And best of all, after you graduate, you'll get access to our Inner Circle referral network. This is a powerful network comprised only of graduates where we give and accept referrals from other graduates. So if you're a marketer and need a designer, just find a designer in our Inner Circle, introduce the designer to your client, and you make the referral fee. You can get or give business through the Inner Circle referral network. And you'll get all of these benefits with a money-back guarantee. You can read more about that guarantee on our website. The bottom line is we want you to be extremely happy being a student, and we will go to the end of the earth to make sure that that happens. So let's quickly summarize what you'll get. A step-by-step process of over 14 hours of actionable coursework that will fast-track you to success, world-class spreadsheets and documents you will need as a freelancer that will save you an incredible amount of time and money, a personal review of your work, an individually numbered badge and certificate, access to our group sessions, a powerful Inner Circle referral network to give and get business, all backed by a money-back guarantee. Now, if I had a resource like this, as I struggle to be a successful freelancer, I can only imagine how much better my life would be now. And you have this opportunity. And to make it even better, we are backing this up with a 300% ROI guarantee. That's right, you're going to make 300% return on your investment. So don't think of this as an expense. Think of it as an investment in your future. How many options do you have out there that will give you a 300% return on your money? The stock market won't do that for you. Real estate won't do that for you. And remember, it's not just about the money. It's about living the life you want without the bosses or commutes or office politics or spending a third of your life in a tiny cubicle. Freelancer Masterclass will show you how to get paid more, bring in a steady stream of high-paying clients, keep clients longer, optimize your work for more freedom, and so much more. This is a step-by-step process taught by the best freelancers in the world, and you can't get this content anywhere else. If you're ready to upgrade your career and your life, go to freelancermasterclass.com, sign up for our webinar, get some actionable tips that will help you with your career. Right now, with all the benefits and guarantees we have, you have nothing to lose. Good luck.